Alright, scholars, this is Mr. Tran speaking. This is going to be your very first video, and this is going to be our experiment to see whether this is a lot better than Edgenuity, okay? So the first topic that we are going to be learning is how to add integers. It's one of the most fundamental concepts that you really need to master, and you need to be extremely fluent with it because the rest of algebra, the rest of geometry, trig, and calculus is dependent upon you knowing your integers. So let's make sure we get it right. Right here, if you guys are the type of person who can't remember the rules for adding or subtracting integers, here's a very simple way for you guys to remember. It says here, same signs, add and keep, different signs subtract, take the sign of the higher number to make it more exact. You can actually sing this. It goes along the lines of row, row, row your boat. So here's how it goes. For those of you guys who are good at memorizing rap lyrics and stuff like that, these couple of lines shouldn't be that hard, but here's how it goes. Same signs, add and keep, different signs subtract. Take the sign of the higher number to make it more exact. Okay? And this is the thing that I employ every time I have to actually add integers. So here we go. The first line, same signs, add and keep, is extremely important, and I want you guys to be able to recognize each and every single pieces, right? So let's start with the first example right here. 7 plus 3. Both of these are positive, so they are the same signs. I noticed that they are the same signs, so I'm going to add, and I'm going to keep the sign, so it's going to be positive 10, just like that. Next piece, negative 4 plus negative 10. I noticed the same sign, so same signs, add and keep, so it's going to be 14, and I keep the sign, so it's negative 14, okay? Again, here's another way of seeing it, positive 3 plus positive 4, same signs, add and keep, it's going to be positive 7. Finally, this looks like subtraction, but the way that I want you guys to train your eyes is to see, oh yeah, these are two negative numbers together. That means that we are adding, therefore same signs, add and keep. This is going to add up to negative 10, okay? So that's the easy part. Here's the second part, which is slightly harder, which is the second piece of the song. What happens when you have different signs, okay? So it's clearly up here, different signs subtract, take the sign of the higher number to be more exact. So you see this, negative 8 plus positive 4. Different signs, you're going to subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. Take the sign of the higher number, which is negative 8, so therefore you have negative 4. So negative 8 plus 4 is actually negative 4, okay? Just look at this. Different signs, positive and negative, subtract. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Take the sign of the higher number, which is 12, so it's going to be positive 6, okay? A couple more times, 20 minus 8. It seems like it's 20 minus 8. The way that I look at it, it's positive 20 plus negative 8. Or just when two numbers are next to each other like this, you just assume addition. So different signs subtract. That's going to give you 12. Take the sign of the higher number. It's going to be positive 12. Here we go. Finally, you have here negative 3 plus 10. So different signs subtract. Take the sign of the higher, well, we're going to subtract the 7. Take the sign of the higher number. It's going to be positive. So it's positive 7, okay, to make it more exact. So this is the key to really unlocking this. So the idea is, can you guys move through this as fluently as possible? Because at the end of the day, you need to be able to do this with all integers. So again, 6 plus negative 5 is positive 1. Negative 8 plus negative 2 is negative 10. 7 plus negative 6 is positive 1. Negative 8 minus 12 is going to give me negative 20, okay? So get ready. Make sure that you memorize how to add integers. There's really no subtraction in the higher level math. So as long as you have these rules memorized, you should be good to go, okay? And so get ready for cold call and stuff like that when I do actually show you this. So again, revisit this video over and over again if you need to know how to master the rules for adding integers. And I would also highly suggest you pause this video and write down these rules. Okay, bye.